Hi little friends, it's Miss Jailene again, and today we're doing a quick cooking program. I'm going to be showing you how to make quesadillas. All you're going to need is a pan, whichever pan you want to use, spatula, any type of tortilla you want, and any type of cheese you want. You can use block cheese or shredded cheese. I like using shredded cheese. You can use butter to warm up your tortilla, or vegetable oil in a can, or butter in a can. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is turn on our stove. If you are small, you might need an adult to help you. So turn on your stove, and we're going to put it medium high. And then we're going to use your butter or your spray. I like using butter because I just like the way it makes my quesadilla taste. So while that starts warming up, put butter on your pan and let that melt. And while that starts melting, spread it around our pan. So it makes our quesadilla nice and crispy. So while that melts, now that it's melting, you can grab your tortilla. I use soft tortillas, flour tortillas, whichever tortilla you want to use. So you're going to grab your tortilla and put it right on your pan. So this is where it gets tricky really quick. So grab your cheese. Make sure that if it's a block cheese, it's already cut. If it's your shredded cheese, so grab some of your cheese and you're going to put it on any side of the quesadilla, but only half of the quesadilla you want to fill with cheese. Then you're going to grab your spatula, and you're going to grab the side of the tortilla that doesn't have cheese on it. You're going to flip it to make it almost like a little sandwich. And we're going to let that cook for a quick minute. So this is how it looks right now. And we're going to let that cook for about 30-45 seconds while the cheese melts. And then we're going to flip it. Okay? So that's cooking. You might want to pat it down so that you can get all that cheese in there. And it depends on how toasty you want your quesadilla. I don't really like mine that toasty, but that's just my preference. So now, I'm just going to peek through to see if it's a little toasty. Give it maybe 30 more seconds. I'm going to keep patting it down. And then, depending how toasty you want it, you can still keep it here for a little more. I don't like mine that toasty, so now I'm going to flip my quesadilla and do the same thing to the side. Other side, I'm going to pat it down. I'm going to go grab my plate really quick. It's looking on that side still. I'm going to shut off my stove now. I'm going to move it to my plate. quesadilla looks right now. Very nice and toasty. I'm going to cut it. You may need also an adult help because this is a knife. I'm going to cut my quesadilla. And be careful because it is hot. And this is what my quesadilla looks like. All that cheese is in there is all nice and melted. And then when it's all nice and cool, or if you're like me, can't wait to eat it, have a quick little napkin, hold your quesadilla, and eat it. So good. Hope you guys enjoyed making this video with me. There will be more Cooking with Miss Jailene coming out soon. Bye, my little friends.